Good morning. I'm heading over to Fort Pierce to where Good Times, my boat, is moored. The storm is looming. It's coming off of the Cuba area and heading towards Florida. Right now it shows the path just a little bit off of the coastline. However, even where it's at, I'm sure we're going to have hurricane force winds. If it wobbles at the least bit to the left or west, we're going to take a direct hit. So I'm going over to try and secure it the best I can, take a few things off the top, take down my bimini, do a few things that I can do to prepare it the best I can. I one time thought about staying and riding it out, but it doesn't seem logical to do that right now. It's insured, so it's not highly insured, but it's insured, so it's not worth, dying over. And where the boat is, I'm the first boat coming in on the dock, and the concern would be the storm surge pushing boats into it, not just being able to ride it out, but getting crushed and then getting crushed against the rocks and then just being bad. So I'm heading over. We're going to see what we can do about prepping it up.
Business deserves better. That's why I started DealStruck. You tell us where you want your business to go, and we'll create a loan package up to $500,000.
That'd be like y'all my dock mates here. You prepping, I see.
Yep.
Taking it all down, a smart
I
move.
suck my gut in.
I can't do that. That comes up over this. This dock is free. Just did a bunch of work here. Rewired all this new electrical. Hope the storm doesn't tear it all out. It's nice. Spent a bunch of money, I guess. Our little tiki bar. Having some cold beers. Gotta have a hurricane party.
Symmetrical this storm looks now. I mean, it looks, you really start to see what looks like a powerful hurricane getting perhaps even stronger. So the eye starting to show up once again. We've always had the eye, but now it's becoming more visible.
Well, it's dark. I'm leaving out kind of late because the traffic is real bad on 60. Didn't want to get caught in all that traffic, so I'm leaving out. It's about getting close to midnight. I got the boat as ready as I can get it, and I hope everything works out.